Out of that breaking news overnight, tied to the battle over a commonly used abortion pill, a federal appeals court has now blocked part of a ruling issued by a Texas judge last week that endangered access to mifepristone, the name of the drug. NBC senior legal correspondent Laura Jarrett joins us with more. Laura, good morning. So this has to do with the Texas ruling, which had effectively banned the use of this drug, which is commonly used in medically induced abortions. What does this Fifth Circuit ruling do?
So what people need to know waking up this morning is that you still have access to the drug. It's just going to be harder to get. You're going to have to jump through more hoops to get it. And that's because of the way the district court actually fixed that ruling last Friday. He not only invalidated the original approval of that drug that dates back 23 years ago, he also invalidated a bunch of loosening of the restrictions that the FDA put in place. For instance, during COVID, it said you don't have to come in person to get the drug. You can get it through the mail. And that's what the Court of Appeals, the Fifth Circuit, has done. It's targeted those loosening of restrictions that happened post-2016 about. And so the original approval, that's still good. But all of the things that you could do to try to get the drug easier, that's still now blocked. And so it's as if the Court of Appeals rewound the clock back to the year 2000 as of Saturday morning. The thing you need to know, though, that's making this a little tricky is we still have that outstanding decision from a different district court of same authority in Washington state. And in that case, the judge said you have to maintain access in the exact same way as it currently exists. And so those two are still in conflict as of Saturday morning. And that's why we think this case is likely headed to the Supreme Court.
So just to be clear, you know, they have struck down these more recent rules that, as you said, expanded access to this drug. You could get it by mail. You didn't need to see the doctor three times or what have you. Will there be an appeal of that then?
Yes.
And could that be staged so that things kind of stay status quo with regard to all of it?
Right.
It gets very confusing.
It does, but I think the best way to think about it is this decision, and it's 42 pages. It is quite long and detailed. The way that the court's doing it, I think the Biden administration is still going to be uncomfortable with. It's still sort of targeting the FDA's authority. And so I think you're going to see the Biden administration, for legal and political reasons, anything that makes it look like you can't get access to this abortion pill, the Biden administration is going to want to challenge that in court. And I think that's why you're going to see it still go up to the Supreme Court.
Yeah, the 10-second version is this is probably going to the Supreme Court.
Yes,
yeah.
But you still have access to the pill as of right now.
For the moment. Thank you, Laura. Appreciate it.
Hey, thanks for watching. Don't miss the Today Show every weekday at 11 a.m. Eastern, 8 Pacific on our streaming channel, Today All Day. To watch, head to today.com/allday or click the link right here.